You start whispering. No.
Oh yeah, it's to the left.
It veers off. Should I read the sign?
No.
Ducks. Oh. Bluegill.
Over
Carp.
6 feet. That's crazy. Yeah.
That's Tuck. That's giving you. That's what you
Is
look
it?
like.
That's what you look like.
A whirligig?
Yes.
Okay. What the freak? What the heck? What the heck? Look at the birds. That's us. Us as birds. Oh, but I can't see them anymore. Oh no, they went away. They went apart. No, this is birds. No.
There's a turtle.
Where is a turtle? Turkey. There's a string on my shorts. Touching my leg. Is there? Oh, there's ripples in the water.
Is it a turtle?
Gosh dang it.
What? I don't even know.
Look, there's a plane, guys. I can't see it, but it's there. Somewhere.
Same.
Oh, he's flying away.
The red and yellow on it. Or orange and yellow.
Oh,
So cool.
he's gonna join a friend. From flying in the air. How cute. That's the bird. He was just sitting right there. He was sitting next to his own. Conkery?
That's a red-winged blackbird.
That's the noise they make. Conkery. Oh! That one's so cute. Look at that's me. Muskrat.
Yeah, muskrat.
That's you.
Oh, okay. So I'm the bird and that.
Yeah, that one's cutie.
It is.
Listen to the noises. Oh, that one's cute. Oh, we should start learning birds.
What?
We should start learning like birds and like what noises they make.
Yeah.
Yeah. We should start bringing binoculars like an old couple.
It's getting closer.
It is getting closer. It hears us. It wants to come to us.
Yeah. Turtle.
Come here. Come here. Squirtle. Come here,
It's really
Squirtle.
swimming across the top.
It literally is swimming across the top. What is
I think
it?
it is a turtle.
Is it a turtle? Oh my goodness.
Could be wrong.
I don't think it'd be a fish like that though. So
No.
I think it's a turtle.
I know like Pokemon cards, at least like I've seen a thing saying like normally all the packs have like certain weights to them and stuff, and like people will weigh them and like some will weigh a little heavier.
Yeah.
And that's how they can tell that it has a hit in it. That's me right here.
You're ridiculous. The sky is really pretty.